The 2003 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, CD player, leather, rear AC, power seat, tilt steering wheel, towing package, privacy glass, cassette, roof rack. Your new ride is just a phone call away.